Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, May 10th. I'm James Spann. Could see a few scattered storms about today. In fact, we have some early this morning, but a pretty decent part of the day will be dry. We think the better coverage of showers and storms this week will be on Thursday. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view as the day begins. The big trough that brought these severe storms over Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, approaching, but weakening. That was a radar early this morning at 5:11. We had some storms over the northwestern corner of the state and more back in North Mississippi, but those have been steadily weakening with time. Starting off the day in the 60s, Birmingham at 68. We should go back in the 80s today. Yesterday we had highs in the 70s with clouds and some evaporative cooling, but the 80s are likely through midweek. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet. Note some winter weather advisories for parts of Montana and Idaho. But in terms of severe weather, any severe storms today will likely stay well to the west and north of Alabama. Slight risk over parts of Texas and to the north over much of Kentucky and some of the adjacent states, but no risk defined here. And tomorrow, got the standard slight risk from near Wichita Falls, Texas, up to Tulsa and through much of Missouri, with a marginal risk up to about Chicago. But again, no severe weather here. And day 3, Thursday, this is the day where we expect our best coverage of showers and storms this week. A marginal risk for about the northern quarter of the state. But again, it's just that, a marginal risk, a big problem, not expected. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Rain amounts about 1/2 inch, I would say, for much of the state. Maybe a little more in spots. But let's check it out, model fans. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run today at 1 o'clock, and you can see that trough energy weakening as it lifts up toward the Great Lakes. And down below that, we'll have some risk of showers and storms, but they will be fairly scattered in nature. Here's the high-res HER at 1 o'clock, and again, spotty showers about. Maybe some thunder, but again, severe weather not expected, and the rain will not be especially widespread. Tomorrow should be a warm day, and again, mostly dry. Mid-80s are likely. Somebody may be seeing upper 80s in spots with a mix of sun and clouds. And understand the chance of rain's not zero, but any shower should be widely spaced. This is Thursday, and this should be the day with the better chance of rain as a cold front approaches, but it might really be late Thursday or Thursday night. This is just after midnight Thursday night, 1 a.m. Friday. That seems to be the best coverage of showers and storms. And again, severe weather, I don't think that'll be a problem. And then by midday Friday, drier air drops in. The sky becoming partly sunny. Better chance of showers shifting down into South Alabama. The high will be around 80. And how about a beautiful weekend? Saturday, sunny, less humid. We start the day in the 50s, the high around 80. Some spots may be holding in the upper 70s. And Sunday, again, will be in the mid-50s Sunday morning. That'll feel good. The high Sunday at or just over 80. We note that new storm system off to the west. Monday gets a little closer. That might be a severe weather day for parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, and East Texas, but we're still dry. And then Tuesday, you see broad troughing to the north. A surface boundary approaches, and that will be a chance of showers and storms. Severe weather, probably not. And this is the end of the forecast period, Thursday of next week. May 19th, big trough in the western states. And again, looks like a surface boundary with a chance of showers and maybe some thunder, but same thing, not really a severe weather setup. Check the temperatures for the next 15 days or so. Highs in the 80s. Note those cool nights for the weekend with 50s. Other than that, lows mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Our next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.